the only shrubs that produce lace-capped flowers. In the spring, Viburnum trilobums, pure white sterile flowers, surround the peach-hued buds that open into fertile but tiny white flowers. I grew Viburnum trilobum as a deciduous hedge. 3 years after transplanting, with spacing about 3 feet apart, it reached approximately 8 feet tall, and it looked great as a hedge. It took the birds about 3 years to start eating the berries. Once the cedar waxwings discovered them, they ate all the berries on the shrubs and in very little time. In the fall, the bright red berries took over the show. The sweet autumn clematis vine, Clematis terniflora, vigorously climbed over the viburnum instead of the inadequate trellis I provided. In the fall, numerous clusters of red viburnum berries were topped by the clematis vine's abundant and highly fragrant white flowers.